Hello everyone, and welcome to the Voices Foundation's virtual singing assembly. My name is Charles, and I'm very happy to have you with us here today. We're here every Friday at 1 p.m. to lead you through some really fun and inspiring singing. You can join us from wherever you are, whether you're by yourself, with your class, or even at home with your family. Now, I have a cool jazzy song to sing with you today, but before we learn that song, let's get in the zone and warm up our mind, our body, and our voice. Copy me. Hey you clappers, I'm a real cool cat. Hey you clappers, I'm a real cool cat. With a little bit of this and a little bit of that. With a little bit of this and a little bit of that. I can reach up high, I can go down low. I can reach up high, I can go down low. And that's the way the beat does go. And that's the way the beat does go. Hey you tappers, I'm a real cool cat. Hey you tappers, I'm a real cool cat. With a little bit of this and a little bit of that. With a little bit of this and a little bit of that. I can reach up high, I can go down low. I can reach up high, I can go down low. And that's the way the beat does go. And that's the way the beat does go. Hey you clickers, I'm a real cool cat. Hey you clickers, I'm a real cool cat. With a little bit of this and a little bit of that. With a little bit of this and a little bit of that. I can reach up high, I can go down low. I can reach up high, I can go down low. And that's the way the beat does go. That's the way the beat does go. Well done. We had 3 actions there, didn't we, on that first line? Clappers, tappers, and clickers. But you can make up any action you like to go there. Let's carry on warming up. And an up, shake, 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 shakety shake. 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 And a down, 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 shake, 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 shakety shake. And a forward and a back and a side. A forward and a back and a side. And a forward and a back and a side. A forward and a back and a side. And around and around. And around and around. And around and around. And around and around. And an up, shake, 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 shakety shake. 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 And a down, 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 shake, 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 shakety shake. And a forward and a back and a side. 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 And around and around. And around and around. And around and around. And around and around. One, two, three. Mm-hmm. La 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 lay, 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 la la la. La 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 la, la 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 la. Well done, great warm up. And so on to our song for the day. And this song is about that moment as the sun sets and the light begins to fade. Ooh la la lay, another evening fades away. I know the golden sun won't disappear for long because tomorrow's another day. So, those words, ooh la la lay, another evening fades away. I know the golden sun won't disappear for long because tomorrow's another day. I'll sing a line, you sing it back to me. Ooh la la lay, ooh la la lay, ooh la la lay, ooh la la lay. Another evening fades away, another evening fades away, another evening fades away, another evening fades away. I know the golden sun won't disappear for long. I know the golden sun won't disappear for long. I know the golden sun won't disappear for long. I know the golden sun won't disappear for long. Because tomorrow's another day. Because tomorrow's another day. Because tomorrow's another day. Because tomorrow's another day. Great stuff. Before we put those lines together, let's just have a think about the tricky moments in each line. That first line, hoo la la lay. We enjoyed making that shape in our warm-up, so remember the hoo feeling. And let's sing with that real shape. Hoo la la lay, your turn. Hoo la la lay. Fantastic. And then in the next line, we just need to watch out for the rhythm. Another evening fades away, fades away. Just practice that little fragment for me. Fades away, your turn. Fades away. Let's put it in the context. Another evening fades away, your turn. Another evening fades away. And then in the third line, we have a little gap to really create the interesting rhythm in that line. Have a listen. I know the golden sun won't disappear for long. So there's a little gap after won't, and then we add a bit of emphasis to the di of disappear. Have another listen. I know the golden sun won't disappear for long. Should we try that? 1, 2. I know the golden sun won't disappear for long. Let's try it one more time. 1, 2. I know the golden sun won't disappear for long. And then the third line leads into the fourth. So let's just join those together. Disappear for long because tomorrow. Disappear for long because tomorrow. From disappear to disappear for long because tomorrow. Well done. So now we've joined line 3 to line 4. Listen to line 4. Because tomorrow's another day. Those notes on morrow are a little bit unexpected. They give the song the real flavour that it has. Just hum for me. Because tomorrow, and then the whole line. Because tomorrow's another day. Your turn. Because tomorrow's another day. And careful of the rhythm there on another day. Shall we do lines 3 into line 4? I know the golden, 1, 2. I know the golden sun won't disappear for long because tomorrow's another day. Well done. So now let's join the song together a bit more. I'll sing line 1 and line 2, then you can copy me. Then I'll do line 3 and line 4, and you can copy that too. Ooh la la lay, another evening fades away. Ooh la la lay, another evening fades away. I know the golden sun won't disappear for long because tomorrow's another day. I know the golden sun won't disappear for long because tomorrow's another day. Well done. Do you reckon you're ready to sing the whole song all the way through? I think you probably are. Let's sing it twice. If you need a little bit of thinking voice time, you can listen to me sing it the first time and join in the second. But if you've already got the song, you can just sing it twice through with me. Who is our start note. 1, 2, 3. Who la la lay, another evening fades away. I know the golden sun won't disappear for long because tomorrow's another day. Ooh la la lay, another evening fades away. I know the golden sun won't disappear for long because tomorrow's another day. Fantastic singing, guys. Well, I really hope you enjoyed today's song. It's absolutely one of my favourites. I think of it whenever I see an amazing sunset, and so maybe now you will too. Teachers, that song is just perfect to sing with your class at the end of any school day, and it can even be sung as a fantastic 4-part round. If you do want to take this song further, you'll find a link in the description below to a teaching resource with teaching tips, useful warm-ups for that song, and ways of developing the material, and much more. And to the students watching, why not draw or paint a picture of an amazing sunset featuring the golden sun from the song today. And don't forget to add some more actions to the first line of our starter activity from today. We had clappers, tappers and clickers. What else can you fit in there? Well done everyone, that was some fantastic singing. I really hope you're enjoying the VF Virtual Sing, and we're asking for your feedback so that we can make our future resources as useful and as enjoyable as possible. Complete the survey linked in the description and you could win a £10 Amazon voucher. Thanks so much for being here with us today, and I hope you can join us next Friday for another virtual singing assembly. Make sure to click on the subscribe button to make sure you don't miss out on all the exciting content we have coming up. Happy singing! Bye-bye!